Hi, Bryn here. Now if your oven is losing excessive heat from the front or generally finding it difficult to get up to temperature, then it's probably time you change one of these, your oven door seal. Luckily though, changing a door seal is incredibly easy. Now, a door seal's job is to provide a seal between the door and the oven cavity. Now, door seals can become damaged or perish over time, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on them and replace them if needed, especially if you can feel warm air escaping from the oven during cooking. Now, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to replace the most common type of door seal in the UK, the rectangular rubber seal with 4 corner hooks. You need to ensure that you get the specific seal for your exact model of oven. For Hotpoint ovens, visit hotpointservice.co.uk, click parts and enter your model number. And you can usually find your model number on the inside of the oven door. So removing the old seal is a breeze. The first thing you need to do is make sure the oven is cool to the touch and then unhook each corner. While we're here, it's a good idea to give the area around the seal a good clean. A quick wipe with a damp cloth or sponge will do the trick. Putting the new seal in is just as easy. It simply hooks into the holes in each corner. There you go, told you it was easy. To order replacement seals for your Hotpoint oven or to book your local Hotpoint engineer, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.